So we just equipped this 2018 Toyota Tundra with our premium package. Our premium package includes a 6-inch lift to be able to fit 35s and your choice of 17, 18, 20, or 22-inch wheels. So our customer came to us wanting a 6-inch lift, most definitely. He wanted that 6-inch lift height. He wanted some 35s, and he wanted a black and milled wheel and a 20-inch. So we equipped them with our premium package. So I'm gonna show you exactly what items, what parts he bought. So in case that you wanna make your truck look like this, your Tundra, you know exactly what you need. So let's start here at the lift kit. The lift kit, this is a 2-wheel drive, by the way. So it's a 2018 Toyota Tundra 2-wheel drive. So the only 6-inch lift kit that's available for the 2-wheel drive from Rough Country is this strut spacer right here. So we kept the factory strut. We added the strut spacer on top. Not a bad ride. Still gonna be a pretty good ride. Obviously the loaded strut is a little better, but since it is a 2-wheel drive, it won't allow for that. So we just did the strut spacer. It's not bad. Rough Country cross members. Gives you a 6-inch total lift height. So with the strut spacer, basically you're just extending the strut. So it connects down there better with the original strut. Also comes with new knuckles, so you're gonna get the good fitment. So moving on to the wheel and tire package, woo! This thing looks sick right here. This wheel right here is the new Fittipaldi FA18MB. Gloss black and milled. Really matches the chrome color of this Tundra very well. Gloss black and milled. So if you are one of those guys, if you want, you know, a black and like a chrome milling wheel, Fittipaldi is perfect. For the tires, we did these 35 1250 20s Nitto Trail Grappler MT. These are the MT tires. So the MT tire is going to be a much more aggressive tire. These are, if you like that look, if you want something aggressive that'll look tough and mean on your lifted truck, you want to go with an MT tire. So this is the Nitto Trail Grappler MT, very solid tire. Also, because of the increased lift height, we installed these Go Rhino running boards. Go Rhino running boards to give you, you know, comfortability when you're accessing in and out of the truck. Just step onto the side steps, perfect for all the family. The lift kit also came with rear shocks, so we installed those as well. Mounted, balanced, aligned. Gloss black and milled Fittipaldi wheels. Also, these wheels are a plus 18 offset, so as you can see, they don't poke out too much, not too crazy. So there was a little bit of trimming that had to be done, but nothing major. This is a plus 18 offset. This is what a plus 18 offset looks like, how much it pokes out. Not a whole lot. Toyotas come with stock regular 45 plus 45 offsets, so they do stick out a little more than stock, but nothing too crazy. So if you have a truck, if you have a Tundra or a Ford, a Chevy, a Ram, and you like the look of this truck, you want your truck to look the same way, you want this look, you're gonna need a 6-inch lift, 35-inch tires, and a 20-inch wheel. So you're gonna need our premium package, which this is right here. Expert installation by trained technicians here at Cosmos Truck Accessories. Quality products, quality service, finance plans available. Visit our website to customize your truck.